Getting all those details. We're going to leave it there and shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in, where the Director General of Civil Aviation found multiple safety violations in Turkish airline operations during surprise inspection carried out between May 29th and June 2nd at four major Indian airports: Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai and Bengaluru. The inspections, conducted under international aviation rules, focused on the airline's passenger and cargo flights to check compliance with Indian and global safety standards. The rules fall under Article 16 of the Convention on International Civil Aviation. One of the major lapses was reported at Bengaluru Airport, where the marshaller, the person guiding aircraft on the ground, was found untrained and without a competency card to do the task. Arzu is with us in the broadcast to give us more on this. Arzu, of course, a surprise inspection has taken place. Many lapses have now been found in the Turkish Airlines across four major airports. Could you take us through these lapses that have now been found out, and what is it that this airline is perhaps going to do later?
Well, India's aviation regulator has identified multiple safety and compliance violations during the inspection of the Turkish airline operation at four major airports, ordering the carrier to ensure full adhere to the international standard. A move that comes amid the tension with Ankara that spill over to countries linked to Turkey. Also, if we see, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation conducted safety inspection between May 29th, and June 2 at Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru. These are the major airports where the inspection were held and found a violation by the Turkish airline, a statement issued by the ministry itself, and also the check carried out as per the Convention on Multiple Civil Aviation revealed non-compliance with both international and national aviation safety regulation. The DGCA has directed the Turkish airline to address the finding and ensure the compliance with ICAO standard and recommended practice with DGCA. But as of now, there seems to be no reaction from the Turkish airline. There has been no statement coming from that side. But yes, there has been a inspection that has been done, and now there has been a lot of violation that has been found as far as the Turkish airline is concerned. Yes, Asavi.
Absolutely, Arzu. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details with us. We leave it there and shift our focus to some more news coming in from the international